Residential window replacement. Dallas Highland Park improves comfort, curb appeal, and long-term value with solutions tailored to homes in Dallas, Texas. New windows for homes in Highland Park TX can include vinyl windows, double pane windows, triple pane windows, insulated windows, and energy-efficient windows designed to reduce drafts, support better temperature control, and enhance the look of traditional and modern properties. Window replacement. Highland Park TX services should include detailed assessments, accurate measurements, and professional installation for lasting performance. Window replacement services. Highland Park Dallas can address worn seals, damaged frames, cloudy glass, and poor operation with replacement window frames, window glass replacement, and full window repair and replacement. Dallas Highland Park options from experienced window contractors in Highland Park Dallas TX. Energy-efficient window replacement. Highland Park TX is a smart upgrade for homeowners seeking lower utility costs and improved indoor comfort in Dallas, Texas. Highland Park. Dallas TX energy-efficient windows can feature double-pane window installation. Highland Park TX, triple-pane windows, insulated windows, and window sealing services that help reduce air leakage, outside noise, and heat transfer throughout the year. Custom window replacement. Highland Park TX is ideal for unique architecture, luxury homes, and properties that need a precise fit and a refined appearance. Custom windows, picture windows, bay windows, bow windows, casement windows, awning windows, and sliding windows can be selected to match design goals, improve natural light, and elevate residential windows with a polished finish. Window installation. Highland Park. Dallas TX requires skilled workmanship, quality products, and a strong understanding of local building needs in Dallas, Texas. Premium window installers. Highland Park, Texas can handle new construction windows, window upgrades, replacement window frames, and window caulking with attention to detail that supports proper fit, energy efficiency, and long-term durability. Vinyl replacement windows. Highland Park. Dallas remain a popular choice for property owners wanting low maintenance, attractive style, and dependable performance. Vinyl windows deliver strong value for window installation. Highland Park Dallas TX projects, and they work well for residential windows, commercial windows, and new windows for homes in Highland Park TX, where cost-effective performance matters. Sliding window replacement. Highland Park TX Dallas is a practical option for spaces that need easy operation, clean lines, and modern functionality. Sliding windows are commonly used in residential window replacement Dallas Highland Park projects, and they pair well with soundproof windows, insulated windows, and energy-efficient windows for homes near busy streets or active neighborhoods in Dallas, Texas. Commercial window replacement. Highland Park TX supports offices, retail spaces, and mixed-use properties that need reliable appearance and performance. Commercial windows installed by Dallas TX window replacement specialists can improve visibility, reduce maintenance demands, and contribute to a professional exterior while meeting the needs of businesses seeking dependable window contractors and fast service. Window glass replacement. Highland Park TX is often the right solution when panes are cracked, fogged, or otherwise damaged. Whether the project involves double pane windows, triple pane windows, soundproof windows, or insulated windows, window glass replacement can restore clarity and function without a full system overhaul, helping property owners preserve the structure and appearance of their investment. Window repair and replacement. Dallas Highland Park services can address everything from minor operational issues to complete system updates. Worn hardware, damaged seals, air leaks, and frame deterioration often require window repair, window sealing, or full window replacement. And a local window replacement company, Dallas TX, can recommend the most effective path for homes and businesses in Highland Park, Dallas, Texas. Casement window installation. Highland Park TX offers excellent ventilation, secure locking, and sleek design for homeowners seeking practical window upgrades. Casement windows work well in custom window replacement, Highland Park TX projects, especially when paired with energy-efficient windows, vinyl windows, or double pane windows for improved comfort and performance across the Dallas area. Bay window replacement, Highland Park Dallas TX and bow window installation, Highland Park TX create elegant focal points with added space, light, and architectural character. These options are ideal for residential windows in upscale neighborhoods, and they can be incorporated into window replacement services, Highland Park Dallas, to enhance both exterior style and interior atmosphere with custom windows and premium materials. Picture window replacement. Highland Park TX is a strong choice for homeowners who want expansive views, abundant daylight, and a clean, modern appearance. Picture windows can be paired with adjacent operable windows for airflow, and they are often included in window upgrades, energy-efficient window replacement Highland Park TX, and residential window replacement Dallas Highland Park projects. Window contractors in Highland Park Dallas TX should provide dependable service, product knowledge, and installation expertise for all types of projects. From replacement window frames and window caulking to new construction windows and soundproof window upgrades. Highland Park Dallas, the right team helps ensure durable results for both residential windows and commercial windows throughout Dallas, Texas. Highland Park TX replacement windows should be chosen for performance, appearance, and long-term value in a climate that demands efficient solutions. Whether the project calls for vinyl replacement windows, Highland Park Dallas, insulated window replacement Dallas TX, window glass replacement Highland Park TX, or custom windows, the right window replacement services. Highland Park Dallas can improve comfort, beauty, and efficiency with professional results.